Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to read some more stories to you which I have written. I was so bored. Now I'm tired. Every day seems to be the same. Time has stopped. I tried to cheer up myself. I went out in the garden. The grass had grown up, lush green, small scales and sprouts pricked my feet, yet the wet surface made a happy sensation. I could hear the birds chirping, but I could see none. I walked for a long time. Now the sun was setting. I went inside. The room was still stuffed with boredom and sadness. How the life was passing by without any change. But the change itself was boring because the point where the change comes out, it freezes again. No point to move on. I have to find a living moment to feel like a living organism. Every moment I thought I was not alone, but still I was alone. In those moments of hide and seek with myself, I decided to rediscover myself. I don't know whether it was rediscovering or finding something else. I stood in the middle of the room, absorbed into my thoughts. Soon I could feel something very near me. I looked around. At my left, I could see a toddler running, giggling, laughing around. I called him. He was so playful that he did not listen. I kept looking at him. I felt that everything moved and swayed with him. I called him again. He did come to me. He vanished into the air as I stood there, my hands stretched out for him. There was no child, but I could feel the warmth of his little feet on the carpet. You and I. How could I ever be so forgetful, so careless? I have so many times left you behind, so far away that I could feel the emptiness all around. You were my close companion, my voice. How could I move ahead without you? Even I forgot you. I feel numb since I have left my old home. Life is moving on without feelings, no emotions. Where am I? So much happiness around, but I can't feel it. Why all those smiles? Why all these all why all this fakeness? Should I stay here? Should I make my parents in their happy environment? I went to fetch a glass of water from the kitchen. All of a sudden, I felt so sad. The past moments came back like a flash. It was so nostalgic. I was making a history, but the reverie was broken by a small incident. As I stood in the kitchen, I could feel someone breathing. I ignored, but I could not ignore the appearance of a middle aged man, all dressed in black. He had mustaches and wore sandals. He appeared out of nowhere. He smiled at me and vanished. After that, I never saw him again. He left no signs, but I can't forget his face, smile, and his appearance. He took those moments with him. I was not there. I was really hungry. I went to the kitchen. I had to cook as nothing was left to eat. I got busy. Everything was fine and going smooth. It was about to rain. The wind was very cool and fresh. It smelled of fresh grass. For once I was happy. The food smelled delicious. As soon as it was cooked, I filled my plate and went to fetch water. As I opened the door, I felt someone standing in the door. I looked behind me, but there was no one. Well, I was imagining things again. I knew it was an image, but I felt weird. I don't know why. Well, I filled my glass and picked my plate. Suddenly, I remembered I had seen this person before. I thought that he had disappeared forever, but no, he was there. The same mustached man in black dress with a smile. I froze. How could it be? Why am I seeing him again? Is he linked to my imagination? I shook shook away the thoughts. I started to eat. Somebody hit me so hard that all my food was spilled on the floor. There was a gush of the air. Somebody had hurriedly passed by. I could not move for 2 minutes. I collected myself and cleared the mess. I could not eat again. I was all shook up. For a long time I thought why my characters are becoming alive. They were growing and getting stronger every day. Maybe I'm living those characters. Maybe I was being born. That loneliness was turning into a real companionship. Those characters shall live with me in reality.